Are all drones the same size? When you think of drones buzzing around in the sky like little mechanical bees, it might be easy to assume they're all just about the same size. But did you know that drones come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, each designed for different jobs and adventures? Imagine the tiny dragonflies you see near a pond in summer. Some drones, called microdrones, are no bigger than these insects. They're like the gentle fairies of the drone world, super light and tiny, meant for exploring small spaces without disturbing their surroundings. These are often used indoors or in places where being small is a big advantage, like searching through nooks in an old building or flying inside a forest canopy to observe wildlife. On the other end of the spectrum, picture the massive albatross bird soaring above the ocean. There are giant drones that can be even larger than a big bird. These large, powerful machines can fly high and carry heavy equipment. They're great for delivering packages, fighting fires, or even helping with rescue missions by dropping supplies to people in need. In the middle, there are many types of drones that can be as big as a desk or small enough to fit in your backpack. These are the kind of drones most people might use for fun, like capturing holiday photographs from the sky or racing with friends in a local park. So, why do drones come in different sizes? Well, it's because each drone has a special job it needs to do. A tiny drone wouldn't be very good at carrying a camera, and a giant drone would be way too big to fly indoors. Just like how sneakers are better for running and boots are great for puddles, different drones are built perfect for their own specific tasks. The next time you see a drone, think about what size it might be and what job it's doing. Whether it's helping scientists study our planet or delivering a pizza, every drone has its own incredible role and size.